Let's solve this problem. Here they're saying in the figure above, lines L and M are parallel and lines S and T are parallel. If the measure of angle 1 is 35 degrees, what is the measure of angle 2? So from the question, it is clear that this is a play on lines and angles. So to solve this, we first need to know a few things. That is, let's say corresponding angles. Now, if we have any two straight lines, let's say this line and another line cuts across both these lines, then this line is called a transversal. Now, many angles are being formed here, then the angle that has the same relative position to this angle will be called the corresponding angle. So we can see from the diagram that this angle here is the corresponding angle to this angle. Now, if we have a parallel line, then this corresponding angle has a special relation. So let's draw a parallel line here. And this is our transversal. So if we start with this angle, then this angle here is our corresponding angle, and in case of parallel lines, these corresponding angles are equal. So basically what this means is if this is 60 degrees, then the corresponding angle will also be 60 degrees. All right, so now we have enough information to at least start the problem. So first we'll look for some parallel lines, and it is already given to us. So L and M are parallel. So this line and this line are parallel. In that case, T can serve as our transversal. So we see that angle 1 over here must have a corresponding angle. So this angle here is going to be corresponding to angle 1. That means this is going to be 35 degrees as well. Now, here's another pair of parallel lines. So if we consider that, then this T and S are parallel. So this angle which we just marked here will have a corresponding angle if we take M as the transversal. So here this angle is going to be our corresponding angle, and the measure is again going to be equal. So this will also be 35 degrees. All right. So now we need to know a different concept, that is, what is a linear pair? Now let's say we have two intersecting lines, then adjacent angles form a linear pair. So if this is one angle, then this angle here is the adjacent angle. So a linear pair has adjacent angles. Okay. Now, so what we need to note from here is, notice that these two angles are on a straight line, and the measure of a straight line is always 180 degrees. So we can say the sum of these two angles is going to be 180 degrees. That is, let's say this angle is 60 degrees, then this yellow angle must be 180 degrees minus 60 degrees. So here we can see that angle 2 and this angle are on a straight line. So the sum must be 180 degrees. That means we can write angle 2 is equal to 180 degrees minus 35 degrees, since 35 degree and angle 2 forms a linear pair. All right. So all we need to do here is solve this, and we get 145 degrees. So do we have that? Okay, option D here. So there you have it. Angle 2 is equal to 145 degrees. Thank you.